Tish. We have Natisha. DreamTeam, here we know. Here me I say no man, we have Natisha in it, because I say Natisha, you know. Yeah. She giving back a lot of gratitude. So you can see the whole over there. Put in the input on our project same way. And she come out and I give the strength same way, and she more than welcome. You know, the viewers, she is more than welcome. She is more, yeah. So she have to get a shirt as well too, you know, because she deserves it. You know, she deserves it. So Natisha, so this is from the Raccoon family as well.
And the Raccoon family.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
DreamTeam! One team!
DreamTeam!
Workside loading. Workside loaded. We see all of the face them. You see it, man, you see it. See it. Workplace is loaded and you can see DreamTeam in action. You can see smiling face. Some work mood face. Only reason why you paint a face. And I hear him voice, you know, yeah, I hear him face. You see me, because him face smile bright, you know, or him speak.
I know in that school,
yeah.
In that school a couple of hours ago.
So, we'll give. So say, ear and a reach back here. And smile for maternity leave, so we don't see her. So, the viewers them and the donors them couldn't wait to see the work start back. And now it's back again. So you know, so that's some contribution as well towards the team from the donors for the work when they've been putting in. So, how much of the members them did miss the work?
Me.
Eh? Talpi alone must say mean.
Tell a long time Kino miss the work.
Talpi first, you know when students say, yo, who's present?
Yeah, not to wait till done. Not to wait till done.
Yeah, so who not miss the work then? I want to go ahead, so who not miss the work, man?
I must miss the work, man.
Eh? Yeah, it seems like it at all.
I remember them missing because to the little violence when I go and it make our head kind of focus different. So we don't think say the work will start, that's why mind can focus on the work right now.
Yeah.
If we don't say it start back, so our mind can just get at ease and start the work.
Alright then, so little speak out for the ladies them.
Yes, man.
And the gentleman them say, yo, them ready. Light Parks, they say ready.
Ready.
Can't slide that still.
Remix shop.
Remix.
Human being remix. Machine.
Machine.
The old machine. Keep them alive.
Yeah. Still a mix. So we have to give thanks to the donors them because we have some donation for the team. You can buy yourself a drink. Because you can see the sun being very hot and the team been putting out the work same way. And we have Donna up on the sideline. I go and watch the DreamTeam in full force. Yeah, I see her up on the flank.
Left link and right link.
I go and watch the DreamTeam in force. Baja and the team.
Yeah.
Just upset for man and all we are work.
Yeah.
One time to show my eye wide at the teacher week. Who you to sit down here? You the bad man.
Alright, so we have some donation for the team. With the box, give me the box of money. Box of money. Box of money. Box of for Psalms. Come in, Sam. Psalms with the box of money. Box of money. Who are Psalms? They're full of money to teach. Psalms with the box of money. Sam, come right over here, sir. One over this one. Alright, let's hold this. Alright then, so boom, 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 boom. We start off here, so yeah? So we have liquor.
Yeah.
Come show liquor. What is this? Yeah, so liquor. We have $5,000 for liquor from Julia from the UK. $5,000 for liquor from Julia from the UK.
Julia from the UK, many blessings, many thanks. And hope your food basket never empty. And Father God guide you and your family straight. One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
Sure. We have Zaga Zao. Zaga Zao.
Yeah.
We have $2,000 from Julia from the UK for the Zaga Zao.
Julia from the UK. Blessing love for that $2,000, you know.
Yeah.
Give thanks for my heart blessings.
Yeah. Talpi there. Talpi. I saw the site big. No, we are on the road. From Cho Talpi. The site big. So we have $2,000 for Talpi from Julia from the UK.
Bless, you know, Julia. Only for love, you know. Straight, you know. Only for respect, you hear that? That's all I'm doing, you hear that? One team.
Dream team.
On the real team. Yeah. So we have Painter, Rum Lad, Rum Bass,
Ray Nephew son.
Ray Nephew cousin. What I mean Ray Nephew cousin? So we have $2,000 for Painter from Julia from the UK.
Julia from the UK, bless you know, and give thanks for this, you know. One team.
Dream team. And we have Jella, Jenna, aka Jenna, $2,000. $2,000 from Julia as well from the UK.
Julia from the UK. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe, Julia from the UK. Safe, yeah, Julia?
Oh, here on a reach bucket. Alright, here on a reach. So we're like here on a reach bucket. And that's Julia with donation from the UK. So we give Julia a round of applause. That is Julia. Julia from the UK. So blessings and give thanks, Julia. You know it go. And we have the wow chef. Whoa. So we have some donation for the wow chef towards the material. See, you know, say after we leave this project, a wow chef next. You know, next in line. So you know, say yeah. So we have $5,000 from Shan and Dan.
Sham and Dan.
Shan and Dan. Yeah.
Shan and Dan.
From the US.
The US. Enough respect, you know. Yeah. Only for loving Shan and Dan. You see me, I say?
Yeah. Shan and Dan. So blessings and give thanks, Shan and Dan. And for the wow chef again, this one is from Anonymous from England, Wellingborough. $7,000 from Anonymous.
Anonymous from England.
Wellingborough.
Only for love and respect, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
I get the things sorted out, because I need it, you know?
Yeah. So when them can fly, them lie down twice. Not the bed, not once.
Girl a day night, you know?
Yeah. Twice.
English, you know?
So you see me? $15,000 from Angela and Joanne, DreamTeam Auntie.
Angela and Joanne, DreamTeam Auntie, Shabba Auntie, and Sharkman. Enough love and whole heap of respect, you know. Yeah, man. Whole heap, you know? TrenchTown, you see me? So, you see me?
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Angela and Joanne. Yeah.
Angela and Joanne. Whole heap of love and enough respect, you know. DreamTeam Auntie, one team, you know?
So that's Angela and Joanne for the wow chef. So okay, DreamTeam Auntie a round of applause, please.
Angela and Joanne. love in Angela and Joanne, yeah?
Wow.
Yeah, man.
So what we have next here? What we have here? Alright, so we have another donation for the team. 1,500 each from the Raccoon family from the USA. So that's the Raccoon family from the USA. 1,500 each for the team members. So we have Baby from the Raccoon family, 1,500.
Thank you, Raccoon family. May your food basket never empty. Blessings.
Yeah. Prefect. Coming Prefect from the Raccoon family.
Raccoon family. Enough love. Only for respect. Many thanks.
Yeah. Come through. Kedan.
Yeah. Give thanks to the Raccoon family and our donors and our viewers and subscribers. Give thanks. May your food basket never empty.
Just keep putting in the work. Come in Zagazagazo. From the Raccoon family.
Blessed love to the Raccoon family and to all the donors of the world. Keep yourself safe. Blessed love.
Yeah. Joe. From the Raccoon family.
Raccoons. Grace and token, thank you very much. Love and respect. Always.
Yeah. Alright. Come here, wow, chef.
Yeah, man, Raccoon family. Enough love, only for respect, yeah? Happy, you know?
Liquor.
From the Raccoon family, many love, many thanks, and all of the donors them. Just guide and protect on yourself, just like how we are guide and protect ourselves. Oliver and Carla, big up on yourself. One team.
DreamTeam.
One team.
Rasta Jackson. Raccoon family.
Yeah, Raccoon family. Give thanks and feel every time. Blessed. Love every time. You guide and protect every time. More love. All I don't know. One team.
Team.
One team.
Team.
Alright. Jella. Jenna.
The Raccoon family, thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe. May your food basket never empty.
Yeah. Esther.
From the Raccoon family, may the good Lord bless you all.
Natish. We have Natisha. DreamTeam, here one now. Here me I say no man, we have Natisha, you know, because I say Natisha, you know. She giving back a lot of gratitude. So you can see the whole over there. Put in the input on our project same way. And she come out and I give the strength same way, and she more than welcome. You know, the viewer, she is more than welcome. She's more, yeah. So she have to get a shirt as well too, you know, because she deserves it. You know, she deserves it. So Natisha, so this is from the Raccoon family as well.
From the Raccoon family, one love, blessings, may your food basket never run dry.
Yeah.
DreamTeam.
One team. Yeah man, Natisha. Aja, from the Raccoon family, the teacher.
Yeah, it's been a while. Many thanks, Raccoon family. Love and blessing. And Max, I say me, I know him no hear him name.
Yeah.
Drop asleep.
Ja. Max I wait. Max I wait for your name call, man. You hear that? Yeah. Coming boom. Energy boom.
Yeah.
We talk about
Raccoon
boom.
family, one love and blessed. Thanks.
Yeah. So when you say boom or energy boom, a lot of energy. Come through Light Parks. Raccoon family.
Raccoon family, you know, blessed love, you know, God bless you always, you know. More love, you know. And love goes out to everybody out there. More love.
More. Where me be? One beer. Raccoon
Big up in
family.
the Raccoon family. Love and thanks, you know. Blessing. Most I protect them.
Alright then. Enter.
One fish, you know.
One fish.
Yeah man, big up, you know.
Raccoon family.
Raccoon family. Only for love and respect, you know. DreamTeam. One team.
Young tradesman. Come in, young tradesman. Young tradesman. From the Raccoon family.
Raccoon family. Love. May your food basket never empty. DreamTeam!
Give them it again. Them a sound well. Energy. Light it. Energy.
Viewers and subscribers. Love.
Love. Smiley. Smile here. She's here. From the Raccoon, $1,500 from the Raccoon family.
From the Raccoon family.
Raccoon
family. Thanks very much for this love and appreciation. Thank you.
Yeah, DreamTeam! Energy. So Hero is not here yet. Yeah. So I just Hero is missing, right?
Yeah.
So far, so Hero is not here. So we want to give a big round of applause to the Raccoon family. To the Raccoon family themselves. I will say it's been a while. Alright then. Reverence. So we have another donation for the team. For the team as well. And this is from the Mystery Lady. You know, she was known as the Mystery Lady. So we have Talpi. We have Talpi. We have $2,000 for Talpi from the Mystery Lady. Mystery.
Oh, beautiful. Mystery Lady. It's the DreamTeam. We are the DreamTeam. And hear that? One team.
So that is from the Mystery Lady. Alright, so we have $1,500 each for the team members from the Mystery Lady also. So I'm gonna start from my left. No, I'm gonna go from my right. I'm start from my left this time. So we have Esther, $1,500 from the Mystery Lady.
Thank you very much from the Mystery Lady. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe always.
Alright then, so we have Baja from the Mystery Lady.
Mystery Lady, thank you very much. You know? I hope I solve the problem and the mystery.
Yeah, Mystery Woman. We have Come True Natish from the Mystery Lady.
Blessings enough. Love, guidance. One team.
DreamTeam. Oh. Come Jenna. Jenna.
Mystery Lady, thank you very much. God bless you. DreamTeam! DreamTeam! DreamTeam!
Light Parks.
Mystery Lady, you know, give thanks, you know, more love in a Mystery Lady. Yeah. Solve all our mystery, I make it good.
Yeah. Blessed love. Who we have around there? Joe. Come through, Joe.
Good evening and good morning. Afternoon now. What's your name again?
Mystery Lady.
Mystery Lady. Are you the dancehall queen?
Mystery Lady from the USA.
Bless up yourself, Mystery Lady. I thank you same way for your grace, you know. Thank you for your token. Love you.
Every time. And we have Come True Painter.
Mystery Lady.
Yeah.
May your food basket never empty, you know. Heart goes out same way, you know, mama. One team. Bravo, Vic.
Boom. Come True, boom. From the Mystery Lady.
Mystery Lady, one love and thanks. Blessed.
Young tradesman. See the energy, you know. Mystery Lady.
Mystery Lady.
Yeah.
So she come and dance and queen.
Why you have to ask her?
Love, may your food basket never empty. We appreciate everything. No matter how small it is. Love.
Where may be?
Mystery Lady, give thanks and blessings every time. All Donna, bless up every time. Love.
Every time. Straight. Come forward. Everybody run this, sir? Get. Alright. Rasta Jackson. Mystery
Lady, more than love you every time. And I tell you, baby, I don't protect every time. Love you. Give thanks and praise every time.
One team.
Liquor.
Mystery Lady, many love and hope Father God guide and protect your family. I hope your basket never empty. All of the donors them just big up on yourself. One team.
Yeah. Whoa.
Man, mystery lady, you know. Sit down in a history, you know.
Yeah.
Holy for love and respect, you know. Thanks for you know. Holy for love, man.
You know? Smiley.
One team, you know.
Mystery lady, you know?
Mystery lady, enough blessings, enough thanks and appreciation. May
Yeah.
God bless you.
Get that. I get dark quick.
Yes, big up to the mystery lady. And may your food basket never eat. May God always bless you. Yes, all the donors, viewers.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Aye. Baby. Mystery lady.
Mystery lady, thank you very much. May your food basket never empty. Blessings.
Yeah. Zagazao. Zagazao.
Blessed love to the mystery lady, you know. Give thanks, you know.
Yeah.
Bless you all the time.
Every time. Oh, start them doing so. Then we come on inside.
Mystery lady. Only for love, only for respect. Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's from the mystery lady from the USA. So I want to give the mystery lady a round of applause. Please. Show it out there, so. No. Just one person. Yeah.
Overseas side.
Like one person go over there. Talpi.
Yeah, I'm again.
Come show Talpi. You want a donation for Talpi.
Dada.
From Mary D. Mary D from the USA. 6,005. The Talpi from Mary D.
Blessed, you know, Mary D. Holy for love, you know. Straight, you know. One team, you know. DreamTeam, you know. Yeah, man. Bless all of the donors.
Yeah, so that's Mary D. So we have another donation for the team as well. 1,000 each. 1,000 each from strength to strength. Alright then, so we have 1,000 each from strength to strength from Bermuda. So this is from Bermuda as well. She wanna known by strength to strength. So you hear that? Strength to strength. You know? And yeah, so we have 1,000 each. So I go back to my right, baby. So this is from strength to strength from Bermuda.
Thank you very much, strength to strength. May your food basket never empty.
Yeah. Prefect.
Strength to strength. We need the strength, you know. And we appreciate the strength. Only for love. Enough.
Baby, show them over your side. Come in. Boom. Energy boom.
Yeah, strength to strength. Yeah, I'm calling me energy boom. Alright, that means a strength.
Strength.
Blessed one.
Yeah, energy boom. Yeah, it's no joke. We say energy.
Man,
Yeah, energy.
Strength to strength, man. That strength to strength, man. I work for love, man, and blessings, man.
Yeah.
Just keep on giving the strength. Blessing, love.
Alright then. Get on. Come through.
Yes, strength to strength, give thanks. Father God bless them all the time. I'm love you, I can't tell you much love. I'm missing you over there, I'm glad to get you back.
Yeah.
Go and taste it.
Yeah, man, straight. Yeah. You hear that? Yeah, man, who's passionate about him word that.
Strength to strength, enough love, enough thanks, enough blessings.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, yes, man.
Yeah. From strength to strength.
Strength to strength. Strength like a lion, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love and holy for respect, yeah. Holy for love.
Strength to strength. Father God, guide and protect you and your family. Straight, you know. And one time we lose the strength, but we have it now. So one day.
Alright. Rasta Jackson.
Yeah.
From strength to strength.
More love, but we the strength to strength, you know, because we have the strength wouldn't be so far. So strength to strength, more love and guide and protect every time. One team!
Alright, Jella.
Strength to strength. You know, start with the strength to strength, yeah, man. Big up yourself, straight. More love, more blessing.
Alright, Esther.
Strength to strength. Thanks. May the good Lord bless you.
Baja. Strength to strength, teacher.
Love, strength, you know. One love.
It's a dollar. More strength and blessings.
Yeah. You understand? Alright. Natish.
Strength to strength.
Hard
Food
working.
basket never run dry.
Yeah.
You and your family. God always guide and protect you. One team.
It's a new pacemaker, you know. Energy.
Strength to strength.
Strength to strength.
More strength. You understand?
I understand. Give thanks. You understand? Talpi, come true. I understand.
Strength to strength and more strength, you know. Only percent of the dream team.
Yeah.
Can't stop love the world. Dream team.
One team.
Alright then. The guy the jella. Life pass, come true.
Strength to strength, you know. Strength, you know, to godliness, you know. And love, you know. Strength to strength. More.
Strength to strength. Come true, painter.
One painter.
Strength to strength, just big up yourself, you know. Don't know, you know. One team.
DreamTeam.
Bravo, bitch.
Come in, cheers, man.
Strength to strength. Love, love, love. May your food basket never empty. Dream team.
One team.
I want the slow, I want the different Joe. Come true, Joe. I want that different strength to strength. From Bermuda.
Bermuda Triangle. Big strength.
One
Love.
strength.
Respect. Coxman. One team.
Yeah. Where me be? Only be. From strength to strength.
Strength to strength. Give thanks to strength, you know. Blessed love. All is gonna put in the strength, you know. And more love. Donna. Blessed.
Yeah. So we have hero. Come to hero. You never there. From the 1500 from the mystery lady.
Mystery lady?
Yeah.
That mystery, but we give thanks same way. You understand? Give thanks.
You understand? From hero. That one as well too. From Julia. From the UK, $2,000.
Full place.
Yeah.
Julia from the UK.
Yeah.
Give thanks all the time. You understand?
You understand?
Yeah, man. I appreciate it.
I understand. I understand. Who else left out now? Yeah. Max. Raccoon.
Raccoon.
Hero. This is from the Raccoon family. Yeah. The light I get slim. Yeah. It's from the Raccoon family.
Raccoon family. Give thanks. Appreciate it more than. You understand?
You understand?
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
More than. You understand? DreamTeam, you understand? DreamTeam, you understand? Yeah. You understand what you are trying to say? You overstand? Yeah. Alright, you overstand. Alright, so we see what we have in here now. Active. We have active in the toilet. Oh, active. Active. So $1,000 for you from strength to strength. Active.
Are you really active?
Yeah. Angela. $1,000 for you from the Smart family from Connecticut.
Smart family from
Yeah.
Connecticut. Thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe.
We have one team. And we have liquor from the Smart family as well too.
Small family.
Smart.
Smart. Big up on yourself, you know. May Father God guide and protect you now. Open the basket never empty. One day.
I'm going to clap the Smart family, please. And we have no other than the youngest member of the group. Yes, sir. We have $1,000 for you from the Smart family. Here.
Smart family, big up yourself in your heart and love.
I have Angela and Joanne, DreamTeam Auntie, another $1,000.
Angela and Joanne, DreamTeam Auntie, big up yourself, heart and love.
Yeah. So we say DreamTeam. One team. Clean team.
One team.
You know, if we give a big round of applause for all the donors. All the donors. I say, and we have the pot pan fire around there, the wow chef. And we have this.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.